My country people, na so Purple Speedy just dey do her video normally. Na so her boyfriend Crispdal just proposed to her. This is so beautiful. See as my girl just dey cry. See, I've been waiting for you since. Now why now? Yes, my love, I say yes. Girl, collect ring now. Hey, almost since this year we single people never rest. It's from one wedding to another, one engagement to another. Pepper body everywhere. This atarodo is atarodo. Congratulations to them. These two people have really come a long way. Do you know that if these two are not in love, they would have been separated long ago? But the way they carry their matters for head, they carry it like gala. Jeez, I'm so in love with both of them. They're just growing bit by bit, building their brands together. You can never call one person for a job without the other one. Seriously, I like their companionship. I pray that this everlasting love they have for each other continues to grow.